Good morning, children. For today's assignment, you'll need a capital letters book, rhyme time, and my picture dictionary. Shall we start? Okay, children, today you're going to learn a rhyme about cobbler. Do you know who a cobbler is? A cobbler is a person who mends your shoes. If your shoes or sandals or slippers are torn, then you take them to a cobbler and the cobbler will sew it or repair it and give it to you so that you can wear it again. Okay, have you ever seen a cobbler? Yes, sometimes you can see them near the bus stops. They will have small stalls and they sit there and mend other people's shoes. Okay, now repeat after me. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down. Stitch it up and stitch it down. And then I'll give you half a crown. And then I'll give you half a crown. Repeat after me, children. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and then I'll give you half a crown. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and then I'll give you half a crown. Okay, children, listen to this rhyme every day and learn this. Okay. Now we will turn to capital letters book, page number 40. Today you are going to learn to write the letter D. Which letter is this? D. Look at the red arrow mark. You are supposed to follow the red arrow mark. First join a straight line and then from the red dot take a curve like this and join the straight line. Okay. Practice as many times as you need on this letter D like this. You can also use color pencils and practice. Okay. Maybe 5 times you practice on this letter D. Now, what do you see here? What do you see in the picture? You see a doll and a dog. D for doll, D for dog. Now, you can take any color that you like and color this doll. Once you have finished coloring, you will again start writing the letter D on the 4 line given here. Okay, children, now tell me which color is the top line of the 4 line? Yes, it is pink. You always have to start from the pink line from the dot given. Draw a straight line down till you reach the blue line. And then again you have to start from the red dot here and take a curve and touch the straight line that you draw. Once you finish this, move to the next line. Draw a straight line and then a curve. Okay. Children, always remember you need to sharpen your pencil before you start writing. Then only your handwriting will look neat. Slowly join the dots. Like this. Don't be in a hurry. Then your pencil will move here and there. Slowly look at the dots and join them. Okay. Once you finish this page, you will go to the next page. As I told you, 1 page you do in the morning, 1 page you will do in the evening. Okay. And neat work. After you complete this, all these letters, you will help the dog here to reach the path. To reach the bone here. Do you see a bone here? Yes, you will help the dog to reach the bone. We have to draw the path in which the dog can go. Okay, and along the path there has to be only the letter D. Okay, let's see how we can take it. You have to follow the letter D. Wherever the D is, you will join a line like this. Now, can we go this side? No, this is letter E. So, you have to come down like this. Now where shall we go? Can we go here? No. Here? No. You have to follow the letter D like this. Now here also the letter D is there. But is the bone this side? No. The bone is this side. So we have to move towards this D like this. Now where else D is there? Now again I can see a D on top. So we will go like this. Now where do we move? Left or right? Yes, the letter D is here. So we will move this side. And then reach the bone. Okay children, can you do this? Yes, now we'll move to your next assignment. Okay children, now take out your My Picture Dictionary book and you will learn the objects that start with the letter E. Which letter is this? E. Repeat after me. E. E for egg. E for egg. E for engine. E for engine. E for enter. E for enter. E for elf. E for elf. E for exit. E for exit. Egg, engine, enter, elf, exit. They all start with the letter E. Now let's see what comes after E. Can you tell me which letter comes after E? Yes, it is F. Shall we look at the objects that start with the letter F? F. F for flag. F. F for flag. F. F for fish. F for fish. F for family. F for family. F for frock. F for frock. F for fork. F for fork. Repeat after me. Flag, fish, family, frock, fork. Okay children, that's all for today's assignment. Thank you. Bye-bye.